Welcome back to my daily report market videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Tuesday, 16th of July. Looking at euro dollar, which that rally that we saw back in the last week on the dovish testimony from Jerome Powell has just petered out and has started to roll over. Yesterday's candle tested the reaction high that we had at 12.85, failed at that high, pretty much bang on, and then has slipped over. And you can see the fact that the momentum indicators are basically still around neutral. I mean, I've been talking about this market, the fact that between 111.10 and 114.10, so 300 pips of band, 12.65 is that basis of a pivot. And the fact that the market has now slipped back underneath that pivot and just started to gather a little bit of momentum to the downside is this suggestion that there's starting to form a little bit of a negative bias within this trading range again. Maybe so. I think if you saw the market below 12.35, I think that would be a signal initially, certainly. 12.35, this old breakout, which has become a basis of support. And you can see that the momentum indicators on the hourly chart are starting to become a bit more negative, aren't they? 30 on the RSI. That has the RSI previously throughout this consolidation in the last few days. It's been sort of oscillating between 40 and 60 basically, but now 30 on the RSI. MACD lines underneath neutral and starting to fall. Stochastics rolling over around neutral, starting to fall back towards negative territory. So I think below 12.35, I think you've got more of a corrective outlook. For now, you're still okay in terms of the fact that the market is considered to be, I think, mid-range consolidation. But closing under 12.35, I think that reopens the 11.90 key support, which is a higher low, effectively above the higher low of 111.80. So it'll be interesting to see if we see a closing level below 12.35, and then that starts to produce a more of a corrective outlook again. RSI falling over at 50, would that then go back towards 40 area? And I think that that would be interesting. So yeah, this is turning into a little bit more of an interesting session than I had anticipated. Certainly in front of the retail sales data, hadn't expected too much of a move, but about 15-20 pips down on the day now, and starting to gather a little bit of a test of that 12.35 level. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading. Please click here to subscribe to my YouTube videos, and also you can go onto our website where you can sign up to our trading webinars. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.